So the first time that I did this, I was pretty nervous, but now every time that I am going to go shoot or I come back from a shoot, I clean the sensor of my camera. And you can get one of these kits on Amazon. This cost me like $24. It's pretty simple. It brings all the swaps. Never reuse the swap. And it also brings a liquid. So what I do first, if I want to clean it, I go here into menu, toolbox, and we go into cleaning mode, click enter, it does that, and then we can turn it off. And if I don't want any dust to go into the sensor before I'm cleaning it, and it has the lid or lens, what I do is that I open it up facing down. So if it does have any debris or anything, and then what we do is we open up the swab. This is the swab. You want to put liquid on each side like this, just 2 drops is good. And you're like this, and then what you do is you hold it with one hand, the other one the swab you hold it with the other hand, and what you want to do is go like this, and then come back with the other side of the swab. And you're good. That's all you need. It's very important that you do that because you don't want to have any black spots in your photos or in your video. I have made that mistake. Also, when you're filming in the beach, you don't want to be changing or swapping lenses because you can get sand in the sensor. It's really important to keep it clean before any shoots. And there you have it, guys. That's how you clean the sensor of your camera. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.